All right, what's up guys? Jason here, and in this video, I'm gonna put 3 Lume Cube lights side by side and help you understand why each one exists, what they're best at, and which one makes the most sense for you. These are the Panel Mini, the Panel Go, and the Panel Pro 2.0. Now, I'm not here to crown a winner because that's not really how lighting works. Each one of these lights is designed for different jobs. By the end of this video, you should be able to look at your setup, your workflow, and your shooting style, and then you can decide which one or ones will work the best for you. Also, I'm gonna put a link in the description where you can get 20% discount off any Lume Cube lighting product. So make sure you grab that before the time runs out. Now let's start with the big differences. At the most basic level, these 3 lights differ in power, control, and use case. The Panel Mini is all about portability and simplicity. The Panel Go is about clean, consistent desk lighting. And the Panel Pro 2.0 is a full-featured professional creative light. Now let's break each one down. Starting with the Panel Mini. Now this is the smallest and the lightest of the 3. It's a bi-color light, meaning it lets you adjust color temperature from 2700 Kelvin all the way to 7500 Kelvin. It's got brightness from 1 to 100% at 300 lumens. It uses 60 full spectrum LEDs with excellent color accuracy, and it's designed to live on your camera or in your pocket. In real-world use, the Panel Mini shines when you need speed and mobility. Run and gun shooting, vlogging, travel events, or anything where you just want to throw a light on your camera or stick it up on a tripod and not even think about it. It's also great as a small fill light or accent light when you don't want something bulky in your frame. Now, if you're shooting handheld, moving fast, or working with compact camera setups, this is the light you reach for. Now let's jump to the Panel Go. Now this light sits right in the middle in terms of size and output, but it's designed for a very specific environment. Desk setups, streaming, video calls, talking head, YouTube videos, teaching, podcasts, all of those. The Panel Go is also a bicolor light with a 2700 to 7500 Kelvin range, high CRI, and adjustable brightness. But the big difference here is the larger surface area with nearly double the LEDs at 112 and an output of 580 lumens. Now, if you sit at a desk and you hit record regularly, this is probably the most frictionless option. It's much brighter, and it also features USB output, which means that it also works as a power bank, able to charge your other small devices in a pinch. It's really cool. Now let's talk about the Panel Pro 2.0, because this is a different category altogether. This is a full RGB panel with over 16 million colors. It's also bicolor control from 2700 to 7500 Kelvin. It has professional green magenta tint adjustment, 7 built-in lighting effects, Bluetooth app control, and a built-in rechargeable battery that can also act as a power bank. This is the most powerful and most flexible light of the 3. It's designed for creators who want control and creativity. Accent lighting, background color, practical effects, matching other lights on set, traveling with just one single light that can do a ton of jobs. Physically, it's still compact enough to travel with, but functionally, it behaves like a professional lighting tool rather than just a simple on-camera light. If you're building scenes, shaping light, adding color, or working on more cinematic setups, this is the one you're going to use the most. Now, let's do a quick spec call out for those of you who really care about the numbers. We'll do a quick side-by-side comparison with the specs. The Panel Mini is the smallest and lightest. It's got a CRI of 96 plus with 60 bicolor LEDs from 2700 to 7500 Kelvin. 300 lumens, it's got 550 lux at a half a meter. The Panel Go offers a higher output for close range lighting, and it's optimized for desk workflows. It has 112 bicolor LEDs ranging from 2700 to 7500 Kelvin, 580 lumens, 1080 lux at a half a meter, and the Panel Pro 2.0 adds full RGB with 16 million colors, 595 lumens, 835 lux at half a meter. It also has bicolor from 2700 all the way to 7500 Kelvin. It's got professional green magenta tint control, 7 built-in effects, Bluetooth control, and higher creative flexibility. Now, if all those specs mean something to you, you already know which way you're leaning. And for everyone else, here's a simple way to think about it. If you want the smallest, easiest, grab-and-go light, choose the Panel Mini. If you want the best desk setup and streaming setup without full color, go with the Panel Go. If you want the maximum creative control and professional flexibility, I would choose the Panel Pro 2.0. Now, none of these lights are better than the others. In fact, the color accuracy and the bicolor temperature range are all the same on all three of these lights. It's high quality, professional level. They're just built for different jobs. The real win is understanding what you actually need, because the right light makes everything easier the moment you turn the camera on. If you want more videos breaking down lighting like this, make sure you're subscribed. And if you have any questions that I didn't answer here, feel free to ask in the comments or reach out to Lume Cube directly. Everyone there is super friendly and they respond to questions and feedback really quick. Be sure to let me know in the comments which one that you're using and what you're shooting with it. Thanks again for watching, stay creative, and I'll see you guys in the next video.